Hey guys, this is Herman again in another Just My Review, and today I'm gonna show you guys a trick, a secret that you guys can use in order to make sure these areas keep easy to clean. As you guys can see, no matter what I do right here, no matter what I do, you guys see this area is hard to remove. It doesn't matter if you got a clean towel, no matter how you do it and everything, you guys can shine it, but look at this, it's still looking like a scratch. I don't know, for some reason this kind of plastic or whatever it is, I got some kind of marks that you don't want to have. Look at that, this is some kind of scratch that I was cleaning all around my dashboard and the console right here, and I cannot remove this. But I got a secret for you guys that you guys will love. It's easy to maintain and is very affordable. Okay, first thing guys we need is just wax. We need you guys can have this Mcguire or any other wax, not something crazy, just a regular wax. And basically, well, the applicator right here, and I'm gonna show you guys how to remove those marks, like looks like a stain. You know, I use alcohol and everything. Well, I'm not supposed to use alcohol, but I use every kind of a cleaner to try to remove these marks in there, and looks ugly. You know, maybe you know, if you're driving right there, you cannot see it, but you know, when you get closer, it looks like a bad, like a, you know, not well maintained. Well guys, let me show you this. This is an easy way. First time waxing inside your car, I don't know how many of you guys did it. Make sure this is well shake, and just put some little drops right there, and we're just gonna spread it. And look at this, well, I'm gonna do this right here. Yep, let's go around here. Don't go just anywhere else, just go in this area. This is just wax, this is nothing's gonna happen to this. Just make sure that they're very nice. And let's go in here. And it looks like it protects not only the paint, I gave a nice retouch to inside the vehicle. It's working very nice. It's working very good. I love this product, this wax right there. I'm sorry if I get out of the focus. I just moving my camera, and just make sure just get this little bit. It's not that much. Just go around here, make sure get gently in these areas, and just let me remove this guy right here. And I'm gonna show you, I gotta do it in more detail in my car, but just want to show you guys right here. And this one stays for long, very long time guys. I'm telling you, with this you're gonna leave this car really looks nice. Again, I just did it well guys, you guys can see right here, it's kind of just a little bit, it's not that much. You know, it all depends how you guys see the area. If you guys see it needs a little bit more, you guys put a little bit more. But it looks like the properties of the wax give a nice finish to these areas, and give a nice properties. And also you feel really good. As you guys can see right here, it's like going circles a little bit until you get rid of the wax, and just let it dry for a little bit. It's not like, you know, like you gotta let it dry for hours and hours. Just let it dry a little bit, and just get the basically the purpose of this is like a kind of give a nice and soft polish in here. You guys can start looking right there. Let me see. Still looks like it need a little bit right there in that corner. You guys see? Yeah. And just let it dry for a little bit. But let's go in here. You guys will see right here the difference. Take a look, guys. Look at this. It's beautiful. All those spots, that's and also the texture when you touch it, it feels like when you wax your car, everything looks very nice. It's just a little bit, it's not something crazy, just put a little bit just to make sure. And also the texture, guys, look at this. Look at this, look at this. It looks so nice. It feels so nice. And there we go. Look at that. You guys can see that shiny right there. Really nice. And you guys can see the shine. Look at the difference, the way it was looking and the way it looks right now. Look at the black deep and everything without scratches. And right here, remember the scratch we got in there? Well, let's go and clean this one, and you guys will see. You know, just remember, if you got any wax around the these areas right here, just clean it deeply. If you guys can get a brush, a toothbrush, and soft, real soft, and just with put it on top of this one and just clean it very good. And it's gonna do the job. It's gonna remove any residues of the wax. But now look, you guys, the difference. Look, everything looks now even. You don't have that deformation that we used to have before, and you guys can see it looks beautiful. You guys see? Still, maybe you gotta put I gotta put a little bit more right here. Like you guys can see, it's kind of a, look at that. Let me just get a little bit more. This one. Yeah. Let's remove the excess. It's kind of some kind of a polishing we're doing right here. And look at that, guys. You know, still I got a little bit more to do right here. You guys see right there. But if you guys see, you see, let me just finish that area right there. Remember, this is plastic. This thing is not gonna wear out like, you know, like it's paint or something like that, or it is plastic. And if it's working, this wax is working fine, and this is gonna keep it really nice for the years to come. And look at this, guys. Look at this. It's completely beautiful. The camera cannot show exactly the beautiful, clean, and the nice finish as I can see it right here, but you know, this looks pristine. It feels so good, so nice, and it looks amazing. It's beautiful. You know, the reflection of the camera can't show you guys, but you guys see all this. Just try it. Remember, guys, just a little bit. You guys just need, you know, it's not only can be just the Mcguire's, can be another one, but that's the one I use. And just basically the towel to shine it, and that's it. It's something quick, and that's it, guys. It's done. Basically all this is gonna stay real shiny and beautiful. Every mark you guys have is gonna be removed really easy. If you guys get a little bit of wax around here, just use a little brush and it's gonna be away. All right, guys. Well, guys, I hope you like it, and if you guys need anything else, just let me know. I'm trying to make videos every other week, and see you guys later on in another Just My Review.